Hello everyone, I'm Alexandra from the YouTube channel Alexandra Beuter, and today I'm going to share with you a look that is amazing for winter. If you have a work party coming up or a family party and really just any event this winter that you want to look a little more put together and polished for, this video is totally for you. So make sure to give it a like if you enjoy it. If it's your first time here on the Aveda channel, then also subscribe. There are always new videos being posted and you do not want to miss out. If you want any info on the products I'm using today, then be sure to check the description box below. Of course, all these products are available either at aveda.com or your nearest Aveda salon. So I hope that you enjoy this, and let's get started. Recently, I went to an Aveda salon for their hair shine treatment, and you can learn more about this in the last video I did here on the Aveda channel. It's an everyday hair tutorial with a lip combo for brunettes, but believe me, people will notice how good your hair looks at the next event that you attend this winter. It's 93% naturally derived, completely customizable, so you can choose semi-permanent hair color or a clear gloss. My hair instantly looks just so much better overall. The color is more rich and intense. It feels super silky, it's super shiny, and I cannot recommend this enough. It only takes 20 minutes, so you can be in and out in no time and off to your event. I'm going to begin this look with second day hair. It's my favorite way to start a look that requires hold because you'll have a little natural texture. So the first product I'm using is the Aveda Brilliant Emollient Finishing Gloss on the top section of hair and on the bottom. I'm skipping the middle section and you'll see why in just a minute. And I like to apply it onto my fingertips. I smooth it in between my fingers, and then with a light hand I apply it by running my fingers through my hair. It's going to help achieve a very polished feel, and then I'm going to smooth my hair with the Aveda Petal brush to detangle and to get my hair prepped for a low ponytail, and I'm going to leave out a section in the front to frame my face. I'm using the Pure Abundance Hair Potion next. The formulation of this product is amazing. It transforms in your hand from a powder to a lightweight absorbent lotion. I've never seen anything like this, and it works instantly to add texture and volume, which is going to make my braid appear thicker and more full. The Pure Abundance Hair Potion is also going to create a matte texture, which is going to give great contrast between the shiny top and bottom sections of the hair. And now I'm creating a fishtail braid, so just split your hair into two sections. Then from the outside of each one, you'll grab a few pieces of hair, bring it underneath into the inside of the opposite section. This may take you a few tries if you've never fishtail braided before, but once you get the hang of it, it is very easy to do. And here's a close-up for you. So it's just two sections. I'm grabbing hair from the outside of one section, bringing it behind into the inside of the other one, and then I'm going to end this a few inches from the base. Secure with an elastic or hair tie, and then start to fan out sections and pull on the braid. This will give it much more drama, and it's going to make the entire braid appear larger. The Pure Abundance Hair Potion works really well to give the hair flexibility while still holding the style together. For even more hold and staying power, I just create a hole there, and then I loop the hair through it at the end, and I'm also wrapping a strand of hair around the hair tie to hide it and securing with a bobby pin. And lastly, I'm going to curl any face framing pieces and also the end of the braid to give it a little lift and just really complete the look. And on to makeup now. I'm going to shape and sculpt my face with the Petal Essence Face Accents in 160 Peach Lights. It's a warm, soft peach to deep natural peach with 3 color variants. There is a bronzer, highlight, and blush all in one with Petal Soft Face Powder Bouquets. I'm also using the Pure Nourishment lipstick collection with 23 long-wearing satin shades expertly matched to complement your hair color. There's also 8 lip liners in the collection, and first on the 4-course menu is the Pure Nourishment lip treatment, which is 98% naturally derived, and it's going to smooth and moisturize my lips. And step 2 is a primer. This is going to smooth my lips and create an even base. Step 3 is lip liner. This is the shade Bayberry. It's highly pigmented and it's going to shape my lips. It's also designed to maximize lip color benefits. And my favorite shade in the collection for a formal look is Goji. It's number 20. It's a vibrant red, as you can see, and all these lipsticks stay true for 8 hours. They do not feather and require very minimal touch-ups. They're all in satin finishes from neutral to bold colors, and for expert hair care and lip pairing recommendations, be sure to check out the Aveda website linked below. And that completes this video. Everything you need is down below in the description box. These products are available at aveda.com or your nearest Aveda salon, and if you do recreate this look, tag me at Alexandra Beuter. I would love to see your looks and just chat with you and tell you how great you look, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!